Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this huge vertical compressor 50 liter from Parkside, the model PVKO 50B2. Power input is 1500 watt, working pressure max is 10 bar, tank volume is 50 liter, suction capacity 240 liter per minute, effective delivery rate at 7 bar is 70 liter per minute. Two compressed air outlets, includes accessories inside, we're gonna find out together. 5 meter of air compressor hose. It is oil free and environmentally friendly. Low maintenance, work without oil residues. And let's open it to see what we have inside and find out all about this product. It is huge, vertical, and it is 1.10 meters the height of the box. But it is very convenient because it is vertical unit and definitely it can fit at any corner, at any place at your workspace, basement, wherever you want, at your home, garage. And of course, at the box we've got the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. First wheel, second wheel, rubber stand, the high pressure hose, and then we've got the air gun with some accessories included. We've got the inflation hose, goes here, connected directly to your car tires, motorcycle, bicycle, it depends the connection at your tire. Some other accessories for your bike again. Different type of valves for balls, basketball, football, rugby and more. Other adapter, inflation for beach balls, mattresses with air. And here it is for blowing air and clean anything from the dust. Maybe your computer, your car, so many things at your backyard, at your garage, that you can clean from the dust. And here you can check the pressure. It is on PSI and bar. We've got the release valve for the air, trigger. Nice, I like it. It feels a good quality, I can say, definitely. The hose, it is very durable. You cannot bend it. Nice. Well, let's hope and the unit it is in a good condition, good quality. We will find out. Now next we need to install the wheels and these rubbers. Okay, rubber goes one here and one here. The screw. Okay, perfect. And from the other side, we need to install the wheels. Tied it very well. And that was all. And at the bottom of the tank, we've got the drain screw. Just unscrew and you can remove all the air or any water from a long time of use. And with the wheels you can move all this huge 50-liter tank air compressor anywhere. Rubber at the handle is very soft and you can see the suction. Now at the unit we've got the manometer regulated pressure and the manometer container pressure. Two manometers are in PSI and bar, and this red, it is the pressure regulator. And of course the on-off switch, rubber, prevent any water to damage the switch and the unit. The power cord, it is about 3 meters. At the left it is the safety valve, and at the right the two outlet valves. Quick coupling, release, the same in the other. Now I have plugged it in, and let's turn it on to see how long it will take to fill up with air this 50 liter of tank. It says 97 decibel, and as you can see at my smartphone it goes the maximum 85 to 86 decibel. I think the noise is very well. At this moment the unit it is inside at my home. If you install it outside, definitely the noise it will not bother you. And stops. 150 psi, and the bar it is in 10. And I can say it is a little bit hot and it smells, maybe because it is the first time. We can see at the on-off switch the LED light, nice. And I can say at the time when it's working, it's not moving, it stays very secure at the same place. Nice. Now talking about the plastics, I can say pure plastic. I expect something more strong, more durable. But stay with me. On my next video I will do a disassemble, and we're gonna find out how it looks this unit inside, what part it has and how it works on my next video. But until the next video, let's install the high pressure hose, locks, and of course and the gun. Just press and lock. Oh, too much pressure. And I'm going to install that. This is for the tires, fill up with air, car, motorcycle, bicycle. Okay. We can see it has rubber, same at all the parts. Tight it very well. Stop. Perfect. And of course you can regulate the pressure from here, decreasing. You can see the manometer for the regulator. Is increasing. Good to have the right pressure. And I can say the maximum it is 150 psi or 10 bars. Well guys, that was all about this vertical compressor 50 liter from Parkside, unboxing and reviewing. It is ideal for standard compressed air devices such as tire inflators, blow guns or spray guns, sand blaster guns and more. So many tools that you can use with this air compressor. It is oil-free for environmentally friendly, low vibration and powerful 1500 watt motor, adjustable the regulator up to 10 bars. It has two outlets, it is very convenient for your tool. Not all time you need to disconnect and connect other tool, other hose. And definitely you can find other accessories from Parkside, buy it. A longer hose, different type of hose, connect and do your job. And it is portable because it has running wheels, rubber fit for easy transport, and it stays secure at the same position when it's working. Well guys, that was all about. I hope you like it. It cost 199 euros. Yep, correct. If you want to buy that kind of tool, well, I think it's a great opportunity. Just buy it and do your job. Have it at the right corner because it's vertical, and definitely that helps a lot. Don't forget, on my next video I will do a disassemble and we're gonna find out how it looks, this unit inside, what part it has. Until then, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and share this video. You never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.